So hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video, my goal is to put the ball into this stool. So guys, I have only 5 chances to do one, and guys, if I fail 3 of them, my punishment is that means I will not just tell that. See guys, eclair chocolate and mayonnaise is on the top of it, not cream. See, mayonnaise is here, like, that is seriously not at all cream. So guys, let's go start a challenge. But I have already put. What if moi happens? So okay guys, let's start from here. I need to put it over there, and over here where the space is over there I need to put. Let's go. And oh no, and guys, I maybe forgot to mention I only have 5 tries. So ball, you better go inside 5 times, before 5 times. So let's see if that going in. No guys, only have 3 tries, and guys, I cannot hit from here because the ball wouldn't go, like it would curve. But if it hits over here, I am going to be hit by my parents. That's why not from there, and just need to do from here guys. 3, 2, 1, start. And oh, let's go. That thing just went on the 3rd try. Good ball. Okay. Oh no, I'm gone. Okay guys, the other one is from here. Let's see, is it going to go in there? Level 1, start off, and no, it didn't went. Alright, please go in, man. Please. Okay, oh no, this, like, it hit over here and went over here. Man, let's just do it again. Let's go guys. Not at all expected. So okay guys, the other level is done. However, but guys, the other one is not gonna be easy. Let's start. Is it going in? Oh no, guys. Actually, I forgot to mention this was allowed, but guys, you will think that's unfair. You just said right now. Guys, I'm telling this is allowed. I have to do from there again. 1 try. Moe happened. So guys, let's do from here. 3, 2, 1. Hey, ball, where do you want to go? You want to go to the blanket? You can go at the night, not right now. Who sleeps at what the time? I have no idea. Okay, let's do from here. And is that... Oh no, stop going to the blanket. Maybe he likes the color. This is actually my parents' room, not my room. And guys, which I was talking about the gaming setup, it is in my room, and this is my parents' room. Let's try from here. Oh man, where did I hit it? Man, moe. 3 chances. Guys, see, 3 couldn't go. Now, last 2 chances, or else I have to eat this, and oh shit. Hey, don't go. Oh man. I think so I need to eat the mayonnaise first. Don't worry guys, I didn't eat with the chocolate. Guys, don't worry. We have to put mayonnaise if we lose. So guys, let's see if it's going. No. That is not happening. Man. Guys, last try. Does it go in? No idea right now. And oh no. Now I want to go with the trapper. Don't go anything with the bed. And guys, 5 points are gone. If I get 15, I'm gone. Then guys, I need to try from here again till the time I get success. Oh, let's go. You boy couldn't go first, huh? I already got my 5 full fit points. Okay guys, now I need to do from here. Man, I'm nervous. Oh man, this hit it. I wasn't even did that intentionally. I'm serious. Let's do from here again. Is that... Oh no. Oh yeah, bro. This wasn't allowed. Oh man, that wasn't allowed. Means we need to do again. 2 didn't went. No, like last 3 chances. Is it going? No. Man, if that hit the iron, I'm gone, man. Please don't happen. I'll just keep it over here on the bed. Man, stop freaking me out. Already I'm freaked out to have this thing with Mianis. What? Let's see, is it going on? No, man. Ball, please go in. I only have 2 more chances. I don't do more 2 chances. My moe happening. And is that going on? Let's go. So guys, I have to add 3 points because I couldn't do. And last one was to 5 only. I couldn't do any of them. But I couldn't do 3 chances, which bring the grand total of 8. Okay guys, new challenge is from here now. Let's see, is that going in? No. Guys, 9 have already happened, and if I get 15, I don't want to try these 2 combinations at all. Please, God help me. I don't want to have the combination. Let's go, guys. I only have 9 full fit points. If my 6 don't go, I'm gone. So guys, let's do from here. Is it going in? No, man. No. Guys, that brings the grand total up to 10. Now, if I get more 5, I have to try this combination. Let's go, guys. Is that going in? No. Guys, that didn't go in. 11 is not at all going in. 12. Guys, I don't want to do my moe. I'm telling seriously. Let's try from here and no. Guys, 12. I don't want it to do 3. I need to do this food combination which no one wants to do. So guys, if I don't want that, guys, make sure to leave the like to the video and subscribe to the channel to help me. And no. Guys, 12 points I have got. 3 are not going in. Then I need to eat these combinations. Okay, let's go. Is that going on? No. I put more power actually. Guys, I have a lot of power in my leg, because of which the ball is not able to go inside over there, guys. Okay, let's start. Please to go in. Oh no! Guys, 13 have already happened. More 2 are happening. I am gone and no. Oh, let's go! Okay, guys. Now guys, I have last challenge, and the last challenge is hit from here. And oh man, I did the wrong way, man. It wasn't on purpose, guys. 14 have happened. I missed it. I need to eat this combination which is not at all tasty. Let's see, is that gone in? And no. You stupid ball! Now you wanna go inside. Guys, nothing left, but let me prepare this thing with this thing in no time. So guys, here it is. I put mayonnaise on it. Guys, to taste this stupid combination. And next time, ball, please do enter over here. Oh my God, please help me. You, guys, that's so disgusting. You, guys, that's so disgusting. You guys cannot taste. Man, guys, hope to never lose challenge. Guys, part 1 was this. Part 2 will come Till that time, guys, if you all enjoyed, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Like the video. I will meet you all in my next video. Till that time, bye bye, guys. Please subscribe you.